bag, guys.
No, open
We
these.
found some cool stuff today at Walgreens.
No, not me, Rainbow.
Yeah. And we're gonna check it out. Not yours, upside down.
Yeah.
No, it's really easy to open up to the...
All right, so what do we got, Ray? How many do we have?
So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So we got 5 mystery boxes, and they're full of fidgets. And you can collect them all. So let's see which ones you guys got. You guys might want to trade, maybe.
I can't open mine.
How do you open these?
You guys need help opening it?
Never mind, it has a split. No, it has a split. See? It has a split.
Maybe easy to open.
Mine doesn't. Oh, it's upside down.
No,
The slit is right here. I'm showing you where the slit.
Oh, I got these things.
no.
Yeah, right here's the slit.
I got a needle one.
Whoa. That is pretty
Look
cool.
at the needle.
This isn't even a fidget.
Yeah,
I got a
it's
squish here.
a finger one, I think.
This is a blob, sticky blobby ball. Sticky
I want to get a good one.
I got a pop it.
Oh, keychain pop it.
I got this.
Let's see what that one. Oh yeah, those are cool.
Yeah. We have a blue one, but this one is acting weird.
I guess so. Look at the face on that one.
I need a good one.
Got a blue one. They have a red one.
I need
Night,
a
we
good
can
one.
try this one too.
That one is acting weird. So stiff. Is this an elephant?
Oh,
Wait, I got a good one.
Night, you're supposed to do this. Night, I want this.
I got a good one.
There you go.
Yay, I got these.
How many you got, Knight? Is there one more? You got one more?
Oh, no.
You ready to do 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you drop one?
I got one.
I think when open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I think you dropped one. You need this one.
No, that's mine.
No, not that.
1,
Or did you
2,
get?
3, 4.
I got that.
I'm just looking to see what Knight
1,
didn't
2,
get.
3, 4, 5. How do I only get?
Look on the floor. Did you drop yours on there?
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4.
What the?
Oh, I did. Thing.
Oh yeah.
I was like,
I want it though. I didn't
what do you want to trade? You can give me stuff that I already have that.
How much you guys just share? Are you guys gonna keep your box or get rid of the box?
When we can sell because you got this and you like this and you like this. We can all say okay. Okay. What's this?
What is it, Ray? I don't want to know.
It's a monkey noodle.
A monkey noodle.
Yeah. Why you guys that's not to have it? John, you can't have this.
What?
You won't let me to have your you won't let me to touch your stuff.
Alright, so we got this at Walgreens. It was originally $10, but it was on sale for $5. Or something like that. And they say you can collect all of the ones. Oh, no, you got that one. You could make a heart maybe.
Oh yeah.
I can help
Pretty cool
you.
box.
I can help you make a heart rate.
Collect them all.
If you buy a fan of them, you can collect all of them.
Thumbs up or thumbs down,
Mine
guys?
is being weird. Coughing the neck.
Thumbs up or thumbs down, Ray?
No.
Over here. Bye over here.
Bye
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.